Hi, I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. Today we're going to be unboxing and assembling the Freerider Luggie Golden Elite scooter, so stay tuned. This is the Luggie Golden Elite. It will come shipped through either UPS or FedEx in a box like this. The first thing I'm going to do is grab a knife, and it is wrapped in this kind of plastic wrap. I'm going to cut that away. Carefully, I'm trying to not cut into the box. Just enough to cut the plastic. And now the lid of the box is sealed by some tape. I'm going to cut the two edges first. And now that the edges are cut, I don't want you to cut straight into your unit. Since we cut the sides first, I can lift this up and then cut. And now we have access to the unit. Should be very little assembly required. These things are pretty much assembled from the start. As you can see, it fits in a suitcase, and we have the suitcase right here. There's a couple of ways to get this out. If you have assistance or you feel like doing it this way, you can lift it up. If you have to, I don't recommend this because there's no protection inside the box, but you can cut the corners of the box. Like I said, there's nothing in the way of this and your unit, so probably wouldn't do it that way. The easiest way to do it is leaning the box down on its side, like that, and then we just pull the unit out. And inside the box, there's nothing left in the box. Then here is our suitcase. And our unit is enclosed inside the suitcase. Now we're going to open up the suitcase and assemble the scooter that's inside. I'm going to lay it down on the ground. I've got some cardboard here just to not scratch it. We also have our locking mechanism up front. The passcode initially is going to be 000. Then you just push the lock down. We have access to our zippers. So it should be shipped already with the unlock code entered, but if not, it's just 000. I'm going to unzip this main compartment. Then this exposes our Luggie Golden Elite scooter. Up top, we have our battery charger. There's our packing slip. And then the scooter is just kind of sitting in here. I should be able to just pick it up and get it out of here. Handle up front and underneath the seat. There we go. And we have our lithium battery in here. Then then your two armrests are going to be in here. Now we're going to assemble the scooter. It's mostly assembled already, but I'm going to show you how to unfold it. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to pull this silver pin on the left-hand side. It goes out. And that allows the front end to swing out, just like that. So I'm going to bring it all the way down, like this. Now we're going to lift the seat up. There's a red handle in the back. You're going to squeeze towards the rear of the scooter, and then lift the seat up at the same time. It'll snap. And then now that we have that out of the way, we're going to secure this right here. This is kind of a latch so it doesn't fold up. Notice it will fold. If I lift the unit, that middle section will fold. So there is a latch here. We're going to latch shut on both sides. And now the unit will not fold. Now I'm going to bring the tiller up. There's another latch here holding it in place. And then I'm going to squeeze this tiller handle and bring the tiller up. There's a little bit of protective plastic. And then there's also another latch. You can bring the tiller higher. Then this gives us access to the battery pack on the scooter. our battery is going to ship in this box here. So to install the battery, when we first got it, there was a piece of foam right here I had to pull out of the way. That will prevent your battery from sitting in there snugly. But then next, we're going to take our battery. We're going to tilt the front end in first, and the back end will go in. You have to push down, and it will attach. Once the battery is in, we're going to flip the little power toggle switch up. That means on. You should have a solid red light, meaning your power is on and you should be able to drive the scooter. If you get a flashing red light, that means you're probably in neutral and the scooter will not drive. Neutral means you can freewheel the scooter like this. What you want to do is go through this red lever in the back, flip it into the lock position, which is towards the rear of the scooter. Cycle your power off and on again, and then your power should be working and then you are ready to go. To install the armrest, you're going to have the armrest and then you're going to have this screw that is included in the armrest bag. This screw threads underneath the seat. You'll see two circular posts, and then this thread actually kind of pulls out and there's a pin that will go into these holes underneath the armrest. So I'm going to go ahead and screw that in. And then the armrest just slides in here. You'll see where it's threaded. Then you kind of pull that down, slide it, and it will snap into those different points. So you can adjust your armrest. Once again, this has been the unboxing and assembly of the Luggie Golden Elite Travel Scooter. If you like this unit, if you have any questions on this unit, or you want to order this, please give us a call. We'd love to help you out. Thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.